last rites of late Ningthaujam Babysana Chanu, who allegedly committed suicide at her hostel room on 18th of this month, will be performed tomorrow at Harauro Maning Tangkham Awang Leikai, according to sources. Several hundreds of people are expected to gather at Thangweiban Athletics Union Ground, Imphal, tomorrow for paying floral tributes to the departed soul of the 13-year-old girl. Starting from early this morning, Mau Fresh Organic products began selling at the community hall of Kaisampat Leimajam Leikai, Imphal. The Mau market will be open every Tuesday and Friday in Imphal. Chief Minister N. Biren, who is currently in New Delhi, is arriving in Imphal tomorrow. As per reports, Biren is expected to meet some union ministers in the national capital today. Guwahati is set to host India's first qualifying match for the 2022 FIFA World Cup against Oman on September 5. The match will be played at the Indira Gandhi Athletic Stadium in Saraswati. The BJP's core group on Jammu and Kashmir will meet in New Delhi today to discuss prospects of polls in the state and the current political situation, amid speculation that the centre could be preparing to take some strong steps after it moved 10,000 paramilitary men to the state.